In today's video, I'll teach you how to change phone number on Just Eat. First of all, launch open Just Eat application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to change the phone number, you'll have to go to the checkout interface. For that, start placing the order like you do usually. Simply tap on the item that you would like to order. After you do that, add it to the basket. Now tap on the basket icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now tap on this option, continue this order that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can add more items if you want. Otherwise, tap on this option, view basket, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to view your basket over here. You'll be able to review the items that you've added to your basket. Tap on this option, go to checkout. Now finally, you'll be led to the checkout interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find several informations regarding your order. Right over here, you'll be able to find the order details. What you have to do is simply tap on this option where your name is displayed. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to enter your details. Over here, you'll also be able to find the field for phone. So what you have to do is erase the initial phone number that was added. After you do that, enter the new phone number over here. Now tap on this option, save, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the phone number has been changed. So that is how you change phone number on Just Eat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.